Hey guys, what's happening? How to return Temu item and get a refund. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead and click your profile icon at the top right. And then you're gonna see under your name, you're gonna see your orders, press it. Okay. And you're gonna see all of your orders. If your order is if your order is shipped, if your order is shipped, unfortunately, you have to actually receive it and then initiate the process of returning the items, or for some items they don't actually accept it. So in the all orders, if your order is being processed, like you just bought it and you want to return it, or you had second thought, initiate the return like in the screenshot, right? Press your product, right? Press on the product that you want to return and select the item, and then follow up with reason, right? And choose the refund method, okay? Select either Temu credit or refund to your original payment method. And if a return is required, select your return method and print the provided shipping label, and then package and ship. Securely attach the label to your return package and ship it using the designated carrier, UPS or USPC or USPS. Okay, and Temu will process your refund after receiving and inspecting the refund item. So, important note, the first return for each order is free. Return items is free for the first return on each order within the voluntary return window, usually 90 days. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.